Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, coming at you with another Diesel Talk video about a very exciting product. One of the things that I've been waiting for a long time, and I'm really stoked that BD put out. What you see here in front of you is their competition intake manifold for the 03 to 07 Dodge Rams with a 5.9 common rail on there. So again, that's the 2003 to 2007 5.9 common rail, aka your third gen 5.9 trucks. Now, what's really cool about this kit is BD went back to the drawing board and found that middle ground. Up until this point, you basically had two options as far as intake manifolds. You have your, well, I guess three. You have your stock intake manifold, which nobody likes, those are garbage. You have your aftermarket intake manifolds, which are better. They definitely get you going in the right direction. They flow more in stock. And then after that, your next option is have the head machined and remove the plenum altogether and have something custom made, like from ZZ Fab. Nothing against them, great product. The only problem is not all of us are wanting to get our heads machined. So what BD did is they went back to the drawing board again and figured out how to remove the plenum altogether and have an intake manifold that hits the entire length of the intake plenum on the driver's side of your 5.9. Why is that great? Well, instead of your stock intake manifold, which basically hits the front two cylinders and that's it, this is going to hit darn near all of them, or at least use everything you have there. And the best part, it doesn't require any special machining, so you don't have to pull your head, you have to take it to a machine shop, you can do it in your garage, you can do it in your driveway. It doesn't take any special tools or any special machinery. In my book, that's big. So who is this kit built for? Who's going to see the most out of this kit? Anybody looking to really increase the airflow on their truck. That could be you have stock injectors and you're towing with your truck and you want the best EGT control possible. This will work for you. Let's say you have compounds and big injectors and you're trying to really push as much air as you can through it. You're looking for that extra volume. This will help you. If you're trying to get rid of the stock intake manifold and you have big power plants in the future, this will help you. You can kind of see where I'm going with this. The one thing that we do want to make sure that everybody knows about this is, granted, it comes with everything you see here. So you've got your wiring harness, you have your CCV tube, you've got a 5/8 and a 3/16 hose to go with it, all your barb fittings, all your hardware. It also comes with fuel lines. Now, here's the thing. With the fuel lines, these fuel lines are built to attach to a fuel rail from a 6.7 common rail. So that's your 07.5 to 18, basically any of those trucks. This specific one is going to be from 07.5 to 12. So your Dodge Ram 25 or 3500s with the 6.7 common rail in there. These fuel lines are going to be built to work with this fuel rail. This is a larger fuel rail than the 5.9, so you're gaining some fuel capacity there, which is awesome. So if you're looking to make more power with the truck and you're already thinking about putting bigger injectors, a larger fuel rail is something you should be thinking about. So again, this comes with everything you see here. My biggest thing is going to be the fuel lines. I love that. The other really cool option or cool feature here is that where this splits, which makes it easy for install, it's going to be an O-ring seal. That's right, you're not going to be blowing out any gaskets on there. You have a nice Viton O-ring. So if you have any questions on that or want to figure out if this is the right intake manifold for you, we've got several ways to get a hold of us. You can check us out on our social medias, Facebook and Instagram. You can email us. You can use the chat feature on the website, or you can do it old school. Pick up the phone and give our sales techs a call. We're on the phones at 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. That's right, 12 hours a day, Monday through Friday, 888-993-4373. Thanks for watching.